Hi community! Today we're here to speak about our affiliate program. So if you're a dropshipper, an e-commerce expert, if you run a YouTube channel about how to increase online sales, you have a blog or give any kind of direct services to dropshippers, Yakify can be your perfect business partner. We created an affiliate program based on passive monthly commissions that will give you access to revenue share made by all your referral customers every month. Continue to watch this video to learn how our affiliate program works, how you can join it, and how it can help you increase your monthly income. How does Yakify's affiliate program work? Why should I join? We created an affiliate program that we feel is very convenient for our affiliates for many reasons. Let's see together why. First of all, collecting referral customers is super easy. You just need to make dropshippers register on Yakify with your referral link. So for a marketer like you, convincing people to register on Yakify shouldn't be difficult, considering that the sign up on Yakify is totally free and your customers only have to insert their name and email address. We will grant a 15-day free trial of our Yakify premium plan to anyone who registers through your referral link. This means that you won't risk losing any referrals because it is much more convenient for them to register through your link rather than going on the website and registering directly without getting any special treatment. Last but not least, if you give us great leads, you can expect great returns. In fact, once your referral customers start purchasing products on Yakify, you will get a fixed percentage on their sales every month. And you know that a dropshipper to have a successful business have to sell hundreds, no thousands of products every day. But let's see in details how to start using Yakify's affiliate program. How to join the affiliate program. Becoming Yakify's affiliate is super easy and free. You just need to sign up on our website, then visit the affiliate tab and accept the terms of service. Once you have joined, you will see this page, and on top you will find your affiliate link. You can simply copy and paste this link wherever you prefer to start collecting referral customers. Also, on the top of the page, you will find some other important information, such as the number of your affiliate, how much you have earned with your affiliate program, what is the percentage that you will collect on all the products purchased, and your referral customer's lifetime period. By default, all our affiliates will get a 3% commission on all the products bought by their affiliate. This means 3% on the price of all items purchased in dropshipping or wholesale. The 3% commission will also be applied to any premium plans purchased. The revenue we calculate includes only the product price and excludes all other exceptional fees, such as shipping fees, customized packaging fees, VAT or custom fees. Under the link you can see this tab where you will find the list of your referrals, as you can see here, the rewards generated by your customers but that you still need to receive, the rewards that this specific customer has already generated, the date of his subscription, and the validity of this referral. Remember that by default your referrals have a lifetime of 24 months from the date of registration. How can you get your rewards and some numbers? As I already told you before, you will get that 3% on all the products purchased by your referrals in a time frame of 24 months from their registration on Yakify. When your customer starts generating commissions for you, you will see your revenue share grown under the tab section Not Credited. Please note that this number is not sure yet and it can change in time. In fact, every time a customer will buy a product, your 3% commission will be added to your expected total. But every time a customer cancels or refunds the order, the commission will be deducted from the total. For this very reason, before we credit you with the revenue share that you have earned, we have to wait until the order is completed and we are sure that it can't be cancelled or refunded. This means that your revenue share will be paid 2 months after the order is paid by your referral customer. So for example, on the 1st of April, you will receive all the commissions for the orders generated from the 1st to the 31st of January, the 1st of May, all the revenue share of the orders generated in the full month of February, and so on. The first day of every month, the Yakify system will automatically calculate your revenue share and update your e-wallet. At this point, you can decide if you want to use the credit to purchase the Yakify services or if you want to transfer the funds on your PayPal account. Please remember that you can only transfer the money on your PayPal account once a month and for amounts over $50. So what do you think? If you have any doubts or questions, do not hesitate to share them with me in the comments below. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!